It's a mom vlog.
Hey guys, we are currently at the beach. This is Anna's first time at the beach. She hasn't been to the beach before. We're basically having like this church baptism, so I decided that I would take her. She's never really been out. And so far she seems to be liking it. She's not crying or anything. It's warm, it's a little bit of wind, but it's nothing too dramatic. So I came out here, I'm with my mom. We're gonna meet up with her dad a little bit later, and then we have to go to a little birthday party for one of my friend's daughters after we leave here. So it's an eventful day.
Get the fact that it's my child. Apparently this is my mom's baby because, you know, she gets to put her in the water, but grandmom festivities, I guess. That's her best friend. You didn't even show her little bathing suit. Her. She got her little bathing suit on.
We'll show them later.
Oh, well, you know, I thought if you was gonna put her in the water.
I was just putting her.
Oh, you could have left it on then, I guess. I haven't seen her in long, her little bathing suit yet. Here.
Say, I don't know what y'all do, but y'all know y'all better get me out of this sun. That's all I know.
Yeah, she hates the sun. That's because she's so light. She don't got no skin pigmentation to her. Just red and light. Oh, look at her little bathing suit. Look at you, Chunky Monkey. Look at you. Look at you. She about to fight you. Look at the way she's holding on to your shirt.
She said, I don't know where
I'm
Pooh
trying to
is.
get this, but I don't want my nails to pinch her.
She's like, I don't know where Pooh.
She's definitely a grandma. Honestly, I think she likes her more than me. But that's a different story for a different day. Alright, let's do this. Hi, Hannah. How are you? Oh, this water's cold. Hey, Greg. Hey, Larry. How are you?
She said, I ain't playing with y'all. She said, I'm not playing with y'all.
She is not here for it.
She said, I'm not playing with you guys.
Chunky monkey. Put her in. Put her in. See if she get used to it.
I'm not playing with you.
She is like so light. What in the world?
Yay! That's Cassandra, y'all. Her birthday just passed.
It's my
Big
birthday.
30.
I want a cake.
Oh,
Today is not the day. Oh God. No. Yeah, you sent me the location to the ocean.
I didn't know, but
And then I got the one out there. Yeah. Hey, hi Miss Tanya.
No.
How are you? Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's not about me. Look past me and look at the baby. That's fine. I understand this is the way it's gonna go now. Nobody cares about me anymore, guys. It's all about the baby.
That's it, honey.
Yeah, I'm about to get a plate. I know that. So I'm about to get myself a plate. I like to eat. I love to eat. Food's everything.
Look at the way she's holding up her hand.
She says, I'm not playing with y'all and your foolishness. Taking me out in the sun. People were dipping in some water. Who's playing with y'all?
Poor Chunky monkey. I like your bathing suit, girl. Even though the top's rising up a little bit. Got everybody? You go. I don't want to get in.
I'm gonna do a selfie too.
Okay.
Oh yeah, wait a minute. Let me do this. Hold on, wait a minute.
Thank you.
All right, okay, now let me switch it back.
Do you want me to take picture too? So you can get it?
With the caramel on the apples, because you guys know that I'm like kind of fat. I'm having this baby, so one diet. No, absolutely not. I know you wanted one though. Bye.
They're like squirrels or like rats of the air. The worst. So we are getting ready to go. I got me and the baby all packed up, and it is time for us to start heading home because we have to get back so that we can go to my friend's birthday party. So as of right now, we are walking off of the beach, making my way to the car. So in conclusion, so far we realized that my baby doesn't like the beach, but it is her first time. So, you know, I'm gonna try again because we are going on vacation in a few weeks, and she's gonna get to meet her grandmother for the first time since the baby shower, because she doesn't live in state, she lives out of state. So we're gonna go visit her, visit a few of her other family members she hasn't met yet, and hopefully she likes the beach down there. But obviously the sun's hotter out there and everything like that, so it's just a tad bit different. I just kind of want to see how she took to it. Today wasn't the best day, but I think it's just because she's really light bright, and I just think it's just the sun beating on her face. She doesn't know really how to handle that and the heat and all that stuff. So I don't know, but I like the beach, I like the pool, so she's gonna have to get with it or get lost. Well, I can't lose her, so she's just gonna have to get with it, y'all. To go home, Chunky? Chunky ready to go? Let's get out of here. Hello everyone, how are you?
Hello.
Sorry, I just want to see this wall back here. So cute. I don't want to miss this one. Ready? You heard bananas. You gotta take it out of her mouth. Ready? No.
This man, I want him right now.
All right. Let it go. You look grumpy today.
She's sick.
Is she?
Always grumpy.
Yeah, she like, give me that. What are you doing? Give me that.
I got out here to teach you this.
Yeah, you can make a mess. Now everyone around back, so JR can behead a chicken. Give me redemption, man. Come on. Let's play again. Redemption.
She took the whole song.
They don't care about me.